Jules, baby. TJ, Jules.
We have something to tell you. Are you from now? I've been waiting for you. I'm praying for you. Hear me now. Hey, yo, I am man has been waiting for you. Wait, check. If me have to wait long, not if I in seconds. Oh, the drummer's flying, show me what. I make hope on you like baby, careful for you. When my baby did, patiently I've been waiting just for 2 weeks. Without you, me can't go another day. Baby, me, I beg you, fish soon come right away. Look set up and forget you, watch up. After we wine and dine, I will be your dessert. Tell them what shirt, let me uncle up your skirt. Nobody have to know. For every little thing me, I do. So be a little see me, nobody have to know.
You don't react to nobody. Hey, mommy, see what's up? I beg you, what Ali do give me? Yo, Lila Hat, what one? Bogbu. Show me a bogbu. Yo, Nana, Nabia, what's up? Show me a bogbu. Kofi Nyaku, I see you. I beg invite Shatawale give me. Yo, that's what's up? 2K18, you know the one fake hype. 2K18, if you bring fake, we don't entertain fake hype. Make your talent talk. Saboy no. Dila suni adi kutunabo. Hey man, I want them man. Invite Shatawale make it come. I want talk to him. I want call him.
It's realistic, automatically we make mistakes.
Bekanele bong boom. We cook crab brandy. What's up? Hey, Tema Montana, Miliano. Jamil, what's up? I beg. I don't want call Shatawale make her ask some questions. So you know your number, take inbox me. Hey, the Royce, you get Shatawale number, take give me. Khadija Amadou. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Baganele. Hey, mob afata mob jekaya iki kabar guluma. Mob wa kraka kananga. We don't want fake apple. Bongo. Baganele. Bongo. I beg you know invite Shatawale, I don't go talk what I want talk. You know invite Shatawale, I don't go talk what I go talk. Oh, invite Shatawale make it come. Invite Shatawale make it come before I go talk. Slick Shehu, invite Slick Shehu. Ayaka. You know invite Shatawale, I don't go talk. I go play music go. Ayaka on them. 2K18, no fake hype. Invite Shatawale come. You know invite, I don't go talk. I go. So if I walk inside, I go outside again. I beg. Invite Shatawale give me, I won't talk to him. My song, they mix them, I go release them. Lizzie Araba, what's up? Happy New Year to everybody, yo. But there's nothing happy about this New Year. Apache, long live Apache, oh. Abdul Razak, what's up? Uminyanyo, Kabishayko, Uminyanyo,
Put your trust in no man. And yet you see you having good time. You're not feeling on me for prayer. No girl, I found what to go God. Oh God, no quick being on the woman. So make you show me my true friends, so I don't go falling for anything to laugh. Yeah, oh God.
Project Baby, you know, man. You know, if I shut up, I don't go talk. I go up the video go.
For anything to laugh.
I feel my fear. Aye, I just sang on my own. Aye. You know, if I shut up, I don't go talk. If I shut up, I make it come. I won't talk to him. Yo, Mark Brown, what's up? Come in, yo, stop Daru, what's up? Tell me now, shake mass, Naganka, but tell me now. Hey, caution Empress, where you go hide? Tell my forward crow. Natalie Norris, God, Nabo. Cynthia Richardson, I see you, my sister. Yo, I'm gonna no trust. I'm gonna no trust. Make you no reply to nobody. Leave them. Make no reply to nobody. If you ever feel invite Shatawale, make you no reply them. Oh, he blocked me. He blocked my phone, so I don't go feel call out. If you don't invite me, I don't go talk. I'm gonna no trust, make you no reply nobody. Oh. Make I give you some of my here, baby. Charlie, my people. I dey greet you people. Today, I know they want to talk plenty. I tell you people, say, Dality Nation 2K18, we know they like fake hype. Make your talent, then things do the job give you. You understand me? I tell you, say, me, I dey support Ghana music. Anybody will go come out with better music, me, I go share unless you know take him. I dey support any movement. Me, I know they SM, I know they success, I know they beam, I know they anything. Me, I just dey love music. I be musician fan, you understand me? That's what today inside. You people, you see, say if I come out, they can't do this video. I know they want to talk plenty. You invite Shatawale, you know invite time. I go talk 2 minutes and they go. You understand me? We always see what happened some previous last year. That Mauko guy where he go put some Ghanaian girl in eye, that Lebanese for pepper inside where they say they jail him. They don't jail the guy. Yo. The guy, they don't jail him. You understand me? The guy they say they jail the guy, they don't jail the guy. Fine. Ghanaians, they play too much. Them be the Lebanese way they see them, they walk back and forth. They don't do them nothing. You this you, Malco guy self. You don't go buy car self, give the girl way. You put in hand for pepper inside. Why? Because Ghana be shit. You go fit do anything as a foreigner. You get money, you go free. So no problem. Charlie, I know invite you, they block you. Your mother, I know go watch the video and go. Okay. We always see last week inside. You understand me? Last week inside, I come do live video where I congratulate Shatawale. When I own Shatawale, when I own the claim champion, I congratulate him. Say he buy car, give him militant, which is captain. You go see the video there where they trend. I congratulate him. You understand me? I told you say 2K18, me I don't support anybody. But master, I tell you say if you can't do fake hype then things, that one don't mean so we don't go talk. We go talk. So my people, the news where they reach me. Not knowing the card and things always say he buy give him militant. You see, you know be he buy the car. Oh. The car where they claim say he buy give captain. Shatawale no be you buy the car. Not knowing the Malco guy. The Malco guy where he buy the car give captain. How you go fit sign 3 militant? Why you go buy car give only 1 person? Why? It dey make sense. You see, if we talk, they go say, oh, you be susupon, you be this, you be this. Eh? How if you sign 3 militant, they go buy 1 car, like you get 3 children where everybody know how they drive. Eh? Everybody know how they drive. They go buy car, give only 1. The rest of the 2, you don't go buy, give them. So Bandana, you can't do that. You can't make fake hype. Eh? They say if the Mauko guy buy, give him. Captain no buy anything. It be the Mauko guy. You see that Lebanese where they did a video inside where they say if you want chop, see that Lebanese people. It be them where they buy the car, give Captain. See my people. Eh? If you get eyes, if you get eyes, go watch the video where they do again. Just look at Captain in reaction, in action. I'll be true with that. The source where they can be true. If you do get say, you see the video you do, go watch the video where you do. Then see the Captain where they give him the car. See how they act. See how they act. You did there. When job where Captain do, where go buy Captain car? Why not buy the safe car? Why you not buy John 77 2 car? It be 3 artists where you sign. You get sense. How if you sign 3 artists, then you go buy only 1 artist car? This one be the job of laziness. When you Captain, you be why you there they say, Father, I love you. I can't sell out. See Captain in action. You go see say the thing be fake, it be hype. We all will see somebody buy you car. How you they enjoy? We all will see you be John. You there see? And the time you can see you don't get sense. You go fool or die. Somebody buy somebody car. In action alone go tell you say yes. Watch the video. Go back to your work again. Go watch the video. Captain know they laugh. Captain know they laugh. He frown in face. When somebody buy you car. When job you do give Shatawale go buy you car. If Shatawale buy you car. Hey! You see, you watch the video and say everything be hype. It be fake. But me, you see say slapping in bodyguard. It be me no I can't talk. I tell you people for the video. If you be hype, when you hype, now if you or your mother die. When you say your mother sleep. Now your own wala. Go watch the video, my people. It not be me. Go watch the video. Go watch the video. You go see from Captain in action how Captain they do, the way Captain they move. I see say no, this shit is a fake hype. We there here. We know how. Hey, America here. You give somebody $20. Ask the Americans where they here. You give somebody $20. Come on, $20. The action the person go do. Imagine you give the person $100. Then you buy you a whole car. Then buy you a whole car. See the acting self. The acting be fake. The acting you watch Captain in acting where you did their father. I don't go sell you out. For life is for life. Captain, my people, why so po? Fake hype no go take you go anywhere. Go studio inside. Go do better song. Me, Darlington Adams, I go promote and give you. We will go promote and give you. You see the artists there, Rude Boy Ranking them, D Sharif them, Arabi them. Then they buy them my own car. You see? Now you there. If Shatawale take the car can insult you, say he buy you where you want change your mouth. The fire we go give you, I dey beg. Call Shatawale give me. Go watch the video. You go in WhatsApp. After you finish watching my video, go in WhatsApp. Then see somebody where them buy you car. See your action like Tumlele. He dey stand like John. Some John be like something and promise him Range Rover. What did they give him Toyota? Something like them buy you. Somebody promise you Range Rover. Where them go buy you, then go buy it. My concern is say your mother 2K18, you know they like fake hype. That be my concern. My concern say your mother 2K18, we know they like fake hype. If you want hype, go do better music. We go hype the music. Taro season na bonaba alaba. But if you want to take fake hype, we will not go take fake hype. Cause yeah, I can't do video and they congratulate them. You ask me, say, what be my problem? Eh? You ask me, say, what be my problem? Or you there, they ask me, say, what be my problem? Shatta Wale be your mother. Then they ask you, Abdulaziz Ibrahim, they ask you, say, Shatta Wale be your mother. Me, I know they like what I say, if I can't congratulate you where you do good thing, where I can't congratulate you where you do yawa thing, I can't talk. Why? You they do like to let they say, oh, you want make I show you the video, make you watch the video. Hey man, I know then give you car. Hey, go watch for YouTube. The girls where they buy them my boys, them my husband, them my wife cars. Eh? Go watch that people that they buy them car. Go see them action. Hey, they feel you there they surprise, then surprise you plus car. What job you do? What job you do? Shatta Wale go buy you car. He signed 3 artists. Where buy only 1 artist car. You think far? You ask yourself that. Eh? You think far? Cause here Jimmy, I block you. You think far? Eh? You think far? Somebody say you need attention, but I don't want attention, but you don't watch me and namu. You think far? How if you sign 3 artists to go buy only 1 person car? Format movement. Where you to them say, oh, this is your car. You did it. Yeah, father. For life is for life. For life is for life. I can't sell you out. Hey, Captain, look sharp. You be Zongo boy. You be Zongo boy. Don't make somebody use you like that. Captain can look sharp. Eh? Captain can wise up. The video there in what up? Rita, in Swakia or whatever. The video there in what up? Captain look sharp. Kena Muni, you be Zongo boy. You be hustler for the street long time. You be hustler for the street long time. Make you not make somebody from some corner be 2K18, we know they want fake hype. Can't do better music. Eh? Can't do better music. We know they want fake hype. You can't hype plus car. You don't release any better song 2K18. Eh? You don't release any better song. You can't want take fake hype, take the industry. No. 2K18. No. We know they want that. No, they want that crap. No. You know they want that. Come out with better song. More could play. More could enjoy one ourselves. More could push Ghana music forward. But if you can't wait, they can't do fake hype. Where they buy you car, your action self they say be baller. Where the news to they reach we, the Malco guy, the guy where Malco guy put somebody eye for pepper inside. It be by those Lebanese where they did the video inside. You know, the Lebanese. It be them buy the car. It be them buy the car.
Power off.
Eh? It be them buy the car. Where you Shatta Wale. So now you Shatta Wale, you come America here. Last year, you come America here. Where you go carry that boy Duke. You go carry that boy Duke. You lie say Duke get company. Duke get this. You buy car, take dash Duke. That car where Duke they drive, it be wife, in mother in car. You come America here, you can't lie people. Duke too, tumlele. It to the one hype. Where he follow you. Say yeah, Shatta Wale buy him car on it for his birthday. Eh? You too, Duke tumlele. You say yeah, Shatta Wale bought me a car just for hype. Yeah, you get companies. Where companies you get? Where companies you get? You Duke of Duke too. Where company you get? So you come America, Shatta Wale come America. He can't lie. He buy this person car. He buy this car. He buy this car. You don't buy nothing. You go. You come Ghana. Say you buy Maserati. Take give Solash. Shatta Wale, why? Ali do why? What you want me to do you again? Eh? You come. You say you buy Maserati. Maserati the cost pass all the cars where you get. Eh? You say you buy Maserati. You say about Maserati. Maserati, you know, they cost past all the BM there. The 2008 or 2009 BM you get for that car, it be 4,000 or 6,000 for a year. I go fit show you where you go. That BM they take make noise. It be like 6,000 for a year. Massa, if I find my tax money, say you go fit buy 2 of your BM. Why? Why? You always they lie. So faking lie, faking hype. You come here, America, you go can't lie people. You go Ghana too. You go like say buy Captain Car. No, the car self, you know be you buy them. What you want me to do you now? I see your interview, you go sit for UTV or whatever TV. You they talk basa. Somebody call me, say make I go see what Shatawale they talk for UTV. I say I know they care. They actually say you want collaborate with Samini. You talk we say now mobile award. I don't go blame you. That Abeku Santana where he give you the platform where he interview you, where they talk that shit for there. If you Abeku Santana where I go blame. You understand me? That Abeku Santana where give you that thing where you can't disrespect. Say Stonebwoy, if they do this, you know they make money out of it. Make him make money. You know Stonebwoy account inside. Xylophone and sign Stonebwoy. You know how much money they give him? What be your concern? If only you make money for your music inside, chop them. 2K18, no hype. Think about yourself. Do your music, make we support you. If you want to make Ghana music move forward, make you not go interview to talk about another artist, Stonebwoy, and things. You are very stupid. You understand me? You are very stupid. You are very stupid. You go and give you platform. Just do that and do. You understand me? Go sit down. Do your interview. But Stonebwoy is playing show. He's doing this. He's there. He doesn't make money out of it. Me, I get house. For how many years did you tell us say you buy 1 million mansion where you still there the renting house inside? How many years, Shatawale? How many years this? Where you tell us say you buy 1 million mansion where you still there that renting house inside? I ask you. We want to support Ghana music, but your stupidness be too much to the extent say Ghana music not if you go for it. Anytime you go bring nonsense. Anytime you go bring wawanchi. Even I say what now you say you the rule. Your heroes they run. Your heroes, your macho mess way you they tell them they do, they play hard for Nima. Where them there now? Nowhere to be found. Then come police go catch them. I tell you, so no macho. Anybody where they say I be hero, they fear police. Even for America here, gangsters see police, they run. You know be you Ghana man. You see in Sawam, you go sleep for there. 2020, you go Sawam. I tell you, no macho man, oh. Macho man self they run. You see men they wear black uniform. Men in black, they run. You did there, you say that, see. Now, Whiskey, they buy car. Patoranki, they buy car. Timaya, where they sort them, they buy car. Better cars, tear rubber. See some foolish folks say you are not a real Muslim. Why you know the real Muslim? You be the real Muslim, take go heavy. Kasia, you be the real Muslim, take the real Muslim, go heavy. Anamu. You be the real Muslim. See John. Yourself say your name say your last name say be Panla. Person where they call you Panla, you get sense. Why, my brother? My brother, that things where they do, I get this. Why they take go? I dey beg make you invite Shatawale. Me, I get 2 minutes. I won't call him. Make I ask some question. I hear say the car no be you buy am. Why 2K? You come, your wife Shatamichi. She can't come with fake hype. Say cheating. The song where the song reach. Your wife Shatamichi come with something called cheating something. Where the song reach? She say cheating what? Cheating. What she talk? She said cheating roots or cheating whatever. If your boyfriend cheat on you, you too cheat on him. Another stupid girl. Shatamichi, another stupid girl. You be some stupid girl for some corner inside role model. Shatamichi, you be some girl in role model. You they can't advise the youth. You say if your boyfriend cheat on you, you too cheat on him. Shatamichi, you get sense. We start 2K18 or you post start your fake life. You go fake, you go see say you die safe. People go figure say you put a fake. But in reality, you die. You go fake so, you go see say you die. In real life, they go say, oh, this guy, they love the lie too much, so you no die. See somebody too. You yourself, see your name self. I don't go call your name self, I go block you. Me, I don't go call your name. You say, where Arabi? Arabi get your own car. You don't know, Arabi, they chop your own money. You there, they say, you dey hung, your credit go finish. You dey ask me, say, where Arabi reach? Yeah? You dey ask me, say, where Arabi reach? See somebody too. See somebody too in name be what? Lawe. When name to be this? Make I go repair my teeth. But at least, I don't repair my teeth self. I find past you. See your name. Lawe. You be phone snatcher. Your name said the show say you dey snatch phone. You there. Ghana music no dey fit move forward. Every day, bandana. You go come with fake story. Yo, H Slim, what's up? You there, you say you buy Captain. You go fit buy Captain car. How do you do? I dey beg. John 77. I hear say they drive 1999 Corolla S or something. If you buy Captain that Corolla or it be Camry, buy John 77. Buy at the self 2 car. So if you no go fit sign 3 artists, militant, they go buy only 1 car. The car self, you no be you buy them. You make account praise you free. Too much cost than things. Oh, no, it be fake hype. Carry them baki. Carry them, oh no, I don't go call them my name, I block them. IGH, me, I dey block them fast. Carry them baki. Every day you dey lie. You buy this, you buy that. You don't buy anything. What you buy? What you buy? I buy this, I buy that. We start this 2K18, nice. People, they release song. Rude Boy Ranking, he release song, he release album. Arabi, he dey work, he dey can't release song. Now you can't do something, no.
Your device is connected.
Can't do something, no. You come with fake life. Aje, wa kwaro ko tumo chichinga. Aje. Chale, we dey happy for you. Aje. I dey beg, cause that one give me. I want make it can't come out him up. Aje. Makwaro ko tumo chichinga. Aje. DJ na kona bo. I beg you, buy Shatawale give me. I got 2 minutes, I go. Shatawari. This year we dey support Ghana music, oh. You know the one fake hype. Charlie, my people, we could support Ghana music. I know they play the song again. We could support Ghana music. Hey man, Abdul Basit, Chambers, I see you. Ibrahim, man, I see you. This 2K18, fake hype, we know they want. If your song be baller, we no go support them. We dey support Ghana music. You understand me? You put the fake too much. Yo, Easy Wacky, what's up? Yeah, Queen Obo, I'm for enjoy myself. You put the fake too much. You don't buy car, you say buy car. Why you go can't lie the people? Go watch the video. If I finish, my people, go watch the video. You go watch the video, go see Captain. the way Captain they do in action and things. You go see say Captain, all the video and things, it be fake. The news way reach me that, it no be you. Alidu, if it be you buy the car, me I tell you, bring the car papers, come put for there, make everybody see. You if you do them, you can't hear say you buy Rolex, where the Rolex day? You say you buy Rolex, where the Rolex day? We don't see say they wear again. 1 million mansion. How many years this? You know, move into the 1 million mansion. You go show us uncompleted building. Jade with day. Allah bless you with that. It be your own chop am. But I won't make you answer me this. This 2K, me that you will not get problem. You be my brother Shatawale. But the problem I want to ask you, say, why they like lying? Me, my problem will be that. If I finish, I call you. I go call you. I go call that your Chasni Amad this thing through Facebook. So if I don't get your number, why I know they need your number? The car, it be the Mauko guy, the Lebanese will get the Mauko. You see the Mauko guy will put somebody eye for pepper. I be buy the car. If maybe now I talk to people will go change the car in the car papers too. It be your own wala. It has time. Yo, Jobo, I see you. Yeah, I dey do music. I go release my music next week. See another fool say you no get kwasia. If you dey mind business, a boy go there, radio top, then they fool. I dey ask you. And Namu, make I go look for you. YouTube be enough, I block you, don't go watch the video again. Now what will be your problem? Oh, I block you. That be what I go do give you. If I block you, bring fake accounts if I go block you. Make people work on your music, then stop they do that thing. See another fool. You there, you be joy. You ask me, say, who? Your mother you buy the car. Go ask your mother, say, who buy the car? Go ask your mother, say, who buy the car? Then buy you credits there. Say they can't. Go ask your mother, who buy the car? So I said, they master the song, they don't release them yet. They don't buy them yet. See somebody to see some ugly fool be. Your t-shirt self will be free. You they wear charity people them a t-shirt. Abdul Green Ralph say it's salat time for our country. Me a dey America oh. Me a dey America. So I don't know that salat time give you. What be your there be the salat time for there? Anamu. Oh, Kila Beula. This is the song we're going to support. Move. Oh, Kila Beula show. This year they don't get any song to do. They probably go hit, then they hit go. They don't get any song to do. Hey, you dey talk of my teeth, but my teeth fine pass you. I be handsome pass you. I go chop your mother. Your girlfriend know they like her. Your mother go can't chop for Ghana. Yo, Kila Beula show. Yo, papus, make you no reply nobody. They want make a messy them and them, I don't go messy. Hey. Oh, Kila Beula show. If they look ugly, make you no comment too. Beula show, Kila Beula show. I dey go. You don't feel bad, Shatawale. I dey go. The car don't be by him. He dey lie you people. So that's what I tell you people. 419 artists. Hey, Kila Beula show. After this song, I dey go. That be Kofi Kinata. Kila Beula show. They'll be here. Come now, Obi. If they hear the little Adams, the stomach they worry them. Obi. Come now, Obi. Boom, boom, now. La Beula show, Kila Beula show. Move. Taking that. Yo, Aris Clark, what's up? Aye. Stop, they call me. I did live video. Why they call me? If they watch me too, they call me. Why? Then send you. Daddy people, I see you. Araka people, I see you. New time for them and Nima. I see people. Stop, they call me. Charlie, you where they call me, no. If I come up for live video, I call you. I go insult you rough, oh. Okay. Hey, Uncle. Aye. Abeula show, kila beula show. Aye. Abeula show, kila beula show. Ade kakara gacho beku. Hey, I go release my song. Oh, the car be so. If the Malco guy buy the car, you know, be bandana buy the car. Bandana no go fit buy car. Bandana no go fit buy car. Give you militant. How you go fit buy car? Give you militant. Ask yourself. Dirty vibe. If you're terrible, oh ya artist ete. No you lole ha artist you kumbe pe. Dirty vibe. But then chene if you're domo. Ni kwa video neke lole ha boy. Kwa video kuma boy. Emi share. Ah, dirty vibe. Bo le bene yoni moko e lole abo. O le bene yo muruka mu second ke wane sema kalori. Jin daddy kama Astro inusa GH muda kena ture nanga. Inusa de America ye be my brother de Connecticut. Ask I go tell you give somebody $20 for America here. How the person go jubilate when you give him $100 safe? Then you then buy you car, you did a video inside, you dey do like John. Double J this, I can't move style. Be Double J in house asleep. He buy me watch it, the food go great. Buy me watch it, banku, omotuo. If them bring the food, ask them how they laugh. If I see food keke self, how they laugh? That I no get bang, I no get chinkafa. Then you buy somebody car, go watch the video. Captain in action be mwah, tumlele. Oh, Father, I no go sell you out. I no go sell you out. Somebody to say, what? Me, I no go mention your name, but I go read your nonsense way, right? Man, you are too local. Yeah, I'm a local boy. I no be American boy. I'm from Ghana. Cause see, you claim yourself international. Why you be local boy? See your name, Jeko Adolo or Aburo. See your name, you claim international. Me, I be local boy. You don't know, forget about the America. I be local boy, I be African. You people won't claim yourself international. That's why Trump calls you, so you people be shithole. Because you won't fit in. You won't be by force American, by force European. Me, I be local boy. And Namu, you the time say I be local. I see a job. You don't know. Me, I there, me, I be local boy. So somebody tell say me, I be international. Hey, Dombure, what's up? Charlie, you yourself, I block you. You don't get your name self. Come up for that Namu. Say hard work. Hard work to flame. See another fool too. You know if you write good English self, you too I block you. Onya be mimi. It be my video. I off the TV give you people. It be my TV, I off give you. Mami, you come late. If I finish, you go watch the video. The video, it be the Lebanese way then get the mouth code. It be then buy the car. That be the news way reach we. We do on our research. You know be Ali do way buy the car. Ali do no buy the car. So Shatawale is a liar. If you like, make we go court. We go deal am for court there. Hey Oscar, this one now. Hey man, on them man. You know buy the car. Why? If you can say we don't know, you that be what you want here. Call Ali do. I want to interview him. Hey, man, leg bong bong boo. Me ke bo chu me leg bong bong boo. Yo, David Okwasido, what's up? You know be buy the car, oh. Why? Can one say make a lot of back garini? If somebody dash car, somebody car, you know they see. You know they see the person in action. Go watch Captain in action. Fake. If the Malco guys with them by the Lebanese. Make I show you something. Go watch all Alidu in videos. Where he say Alidu they can't dash something, eh? Anything where Alidu talk say he dash somebody where he buy him. You go see that Lebanese people for inside. Go watch the video. You understand me? Go watch Alidu in video. Any bandana in video where he say he dash somebody something for inside. You go see that Lebanese people for there. Go watch the video. If I dey like, can't tell me say they lie. Go watch the video. You go see. I dey beg, I dey go.
I am
None
has
has been waiting for you.
If me have to wait long,
Where you second? Oh, this one be smooth and groove. Where my baby dey? What I do give Ghana? Cause see, I Ghana be Ghana president. Somebody they ask me say what I do give Ghana. I be the president of Ghana. The minister you vote for your area. Cause see, you don't know in house. Jimmy for, but you see how you fool. You want me make I can't do something give you. Cause see, you won't give me. I be your area man, assemblyman. Pulubi. You want what I do give Ghana? I dey contribute to Ghana music. I dey catch the liars for Ghana music. Charlie, you do them block, you go take fake account card. Why? Why? When the bongo you get to me a bongo. When the bongo you do it to me a bongo. Hey, me I don't say I be ugly boy. I don't get problem. But you do what you they watch, you be hating. You fool. They tell you the truth. You they confuse the truth with the hatred. You fool. That's why you fool. You got picture self, you know where shadow, you know get shirt where. They tell you the truth. Your African angel, what's up? They tell you the truth. They confuse the truth with hating. That's why your picture self, you know they wear shirt. You don't get shirt to wear. Anybody when they lie the truth, they confuse the truth with hating. Kwasia. As I come, they praise them, say do good, the back give him militant. Onya baby no allow you bulubi. But father say they lie, they talk there. You say that one they hate. Yo, Tema Montana, see you. Somebody say Pande or Pande. Yeah, Allah, you say I block you. Yo, I don't want. My people, Bongo. Hey, I beg somebody talk something. Somebody talk something. I want to read something. Somebody talk. Where the thing day? Somebody leave some comment. Oh, the comment go. Somebody leave some comment. I want to read. Oh, I know they want disrespect. See, make I tell you something. Me, I dey respect rough. You understand me? You see respect. I dey respect wow. But I want to show you something, eh? I want to show you something. I dey tell you every day, eh? With all due respect. With all due respect, eh? Me if I find past you, make you no can comment for my thing talk. I dey tell you. You understand me? No. See, make you no talk. You see the guy? See the guy where they comment? See his face. See. Make I go zoo, but look at you. You see something where they tell somebody, make you go zoo. See you. You want make I measure your name, you know yourself, see you. You see? Me I ugly. Oh. If me make I go zoo, you, where you go? Eh? I dey want ask you. You say me, make I go zoo. They see you your face, where you go? You dey my family side, I go take you go exchange rice cooker. You know rice cooker? I go take you go exchange rice cooker. That be what I go do. You dey my family side, that be the best thing I go take you do. Rice cooker, sharp. That be what I go take you exchange. No wonder maybe self your profile self will be fake. See why you dey sort. Oh, you dey stand with Captain then things. You see, and he be the black guy where they stand with Captain. Yeah, the person say make I go zoom. He dey stand with Captain. See him face. Your face rough like Ogbojo. You know Okponglo, the gutter, the zingling back. So your face they do. You two no be women wey make cheap. You two get girlfriend for Ghana. You two you get girlfriend. See your face. Your face rough like Okponglo, the back there. See you two. You get girlfriend. Maybe no be Sakawa thank you way you start to get something. You two get girlfriend. See his stomach plus some shades way they wear. See his stomach. Mr. Ibu say fine pass you. I be you want attention, I go give you. See your stomach. See your glasses. You see, every day it's only you these ugly people. So now you go to insult people for them a live video. Charlie, I finish, I dey go. You, I don't get time give you. I talk you Shatawale be lie, I know be him buy the car. The car, if you Malco people, then buy the car. My people, may Allah bless you people, or this be showbiz. If you take anything way, I dey talk personal. Go suck your mother. That's what I go tell you. Anything where they talk, if it just be showbiz. If I come and they can't preach, I go preach nice. If I come and they can't do showbiz, where you they take on personal. You know what I go tell you? Go kiss on the mama pussy. Pussy face. So Jamaica man go say bombo clad. So you know when Jamaica man mad, he say bombo clad, pussy wool. I saw you there, you know. You are nothing but a bombo clad. Go suck on the mama pussy. Yeah? You wanna ramp with me? Yo, my people, man. Charlie, go enjoy your day. 2K18, you know they want fake hype. You hear me? If you did the way they do fake hype, we know they support you. Never. We will never go support fake hype. Real talent, 2K18, go do better music. Russian. So tell me. I saw me as a honor. So that's why I go tell you. If you be ugly guy, you insult me, no go mind. If you find pass me where you insult me, alhamdulillah. But if you be ugly where you insult me, I no get time give you. Yeah? See somebody too, you know if you write your name self. Your picture self, you know where shada. See your neck or boom. You say rich fame boss. See something. What you go chop self, you know get. See your name. Kratos rich fame. Oh, you want make I mention your name? I mention your name. See your picture. You dey make her the lose appetite self. Charlie, may Allah be with you people, eh? You know the fee spell your name, see your name. See somebody too. Hey, Charlie, my people, you go hear from me soon, eh? Yo, that Murphy, one love, yeah? Oh, bossu, the video, any video where they do, Shatawale, the militant, they watch me every day. Me, I won't call them. If I call them, you don't go pick. You understand me? Me, I won't call them. One day I go find his number unexpected. I go call them, put for live video. If they lie too much. What kind of person be this? Where artists every day they lie. You go on air, you go to talk about your fellow artists that matter. Why? Why not if you go do your interview, then talk nice, then talk go. If they mention Samini name, you go talk shit. If they mention Stoneboy name, you go talk shit. Only you. Why you two no fine? You be ugly. Shatawale, you be ugly like me. All you know do be lie. The Conco song you go do this year, me too, I go release like 50 songs. Mark it on the wall. This year, me too, I go release like 50 songs. Hey, my man. See, fool, you two, they write English, they say, Yo, why did you mention my name? You are fooling my nigga. Kwasia Jimmy 4. You be the reason why Trump say shit. You to the right nigga. You to the call somebody nigga. You dirty, this dirty creature. You to the call somebody nigga. Namu. You to the call somebody nigga. You this dirty creature. You to the call somebody nigga. You know be you. I no go blame you. Hey, Young P. Link up, yeah? May Allah be with you people. I go see you back again. 2K18. We rep Dality Nation. We bad. We don't fear nobody. Yo, Salim Juvenile, I see you. Yeah? One love to anybody. If you know they like the truth, go sleep. Murphy MC say, bring me up, make I help you. What you go help me for? Yeah, I know they need, if I need help, I need it from God though. Samuel Safo Boati, me if I need help, I need help from God, not human. So I need to do, Chris the Humble I see you. Hey, look, Bronze, sky late, nah bad. I don't go do one hour video. I'm out.